Our world is often marked by conflict and suffering. We witness violence in many forms. This reality calls for a profound shift in our hearts and minds. Peace is not merely the absence of war, it is a state of being, a way of life. We must actively cultivate peace within ourselves and our world. At the heart of Buddhism lies the principle of Ahimsa, meaning nonviolence or harmlessness. This ancient teaching encourages us to live in harmony with all living beings, fostering a world where peace prevails over conflict. The Buddha taught, all beings tremble before violence. This profound wisdom highlights the universal fear of suffering and the innate desire for safety and tranquility. All fear death, all love life. Recognizing this shared experience, we can cultivate empathy and understanding, bridging the gaps that divide us. See yourself in others. Then whom can you hurt? This perspective encourages us to act with kindness and compassion, seeing the world through the eyes of those around us. What harm can you do? These words remind us of our shared humanity. By embracing this mindset, we can create communities built on mutual respect and love. Every being desires peace and happiness. This universal longing connects us all, transcending boundaries and differences. When we embrace Ahimsa, we choose compassion over harm. Our actions reflect our commitment to a peaceful existence benefiting all beings. We cultivate a deep respect for all forms of life. By honoring the interconnectedness of all beings, we contribute to a world where love and kindness flourish. Practicing nonviolence extends beyond refraining from physical harm. It is a holistic approach that encompasses every aspect of our being. It involves our thoughts, words, and actions. By being mindful of our inner dialogue, we can foster a more compassionate mindset. We practice kindness in our interactions, offering help and support whenever we can. Small acts of kindness can have a profound impact. We speak with truthfulness and understanding, ensuring our words uplift rather than harm. Effective communication is key to building trust. We cultivate patience and forgiveness, recognizing that everyone is on their own journey. This helps us to let go of grudges and embrace peace. Every moment presents an opportunity to choose compassion. Simple choices like recycling or offering a seat reflect our commitment to kindness. Through meditation, we develop Metta, loving kindness, and Karuna, compassion. These practices help us to cultivate a heart full of love. These qualities help us to see the suffering of others. By recognizing their pain, we can offer genuine support and comfort. We naturally wish for their happiness and well-being. Acts of generosity and care become second nature. This inner transformation radiates outward, fostering peace in our relationships and communities. Together we create a more compassionate world. The Buddha offered the Eightfold Path as a guide to end suffering and cultivate peace. This ancient wisdom provides a comprehensive framework for living a life of balance and harmony. It is a timeless blueprint that can be applied to our modern lives, helping us navigate the complexities of the world with grace and compassion. This path encompasses right understanding, thought, speech, action, livelihood, effort, mindfulness, and concentration. Each aspect of the Eightfold Path is interconnected, creating a holistic approach to personal and communal well-being. By integrating these principles into our daily lives, we can foster a deeper sense of connection with ourselves and others. By following these principles, we cultivate wisdom, ethical conduct, and mental discipline. These qualities are essential for leading a fulfilling and meaningful life. They enable us to act with integrity, make thoughtful decisions, and maintain a calm and focused mind amidst life's challenges. This path leads to inner peace. It allows us to find tranquility within ourselves, regardless of external circumstances. Inner peace is the foundation for a harmonious life and a peaceful world. It also creates the conditions for a more peaceful world. When we embody the principles of the Eightfold Path, we contribute to a culture of kindness, respect, and understanding. This collective effort can transform our communities and societies. We all have the potential to contribute to a world free from killing and war. By embracing nonviolence and compassion, we can make a significant impact. Every small act of kindness and every effort to promote peace adds up, creating a ripple effect that can change the world. It begins with each step we take on the path of peace. Every mindful action, every compassionate thought, and every peaceful intention brings us closer to a world where harmony prevails. Let us cultivate compassion, embrace nonviolence, and work together to create a future where all beings can live in harmony. Together, we can build a world where peace and understanding are the norm, and where every individual can thrive in a supportive and loving environment.